Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dollarmoon token. Now Dollarmoon just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Ticker symbol is Dmoon. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Dollarmoon token. So Dollarmoon is all one word. That's the name of the token. Dmoon is the ticker symbol. This token's actually up 27.6% today since its initial listing here on CoinGecko. Token price is sitting at about 1.1 cents per token. Now, before you even think about getting this token, just be aware that there is a warning here at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you're trading this token. So thoroughly investigate this token first before even thinking about getting it because of that warning. Now, when there is warnings like that, it doesn't necessarily mean 100% that this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when there is warnings like that. So thoroughly investigate this token first before even thinking about getting it because it could be sketchy and scammy. You never know. All right, so their official webpage, dollarmoon.io, that's listed on CoinGecko along with their BSC scan, Twitter, Telegram, price chart, contract address, all that's available on here. So how you'd get this token, since it's a Binance Smart Chain token, you would get this by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, find Pancake swap and trade your BSC for the Dmoon token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their BSC scan or you can find it on their webpage, dollarmoon.io. Just make sure you have the right contract address and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. According to their BSC scan, they have 481 holders, 3,590 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 200 million tokens. Now, if you head over to their official webpage, dollarmoon.io, you can find tokenomics, roadmap, frequently asked questions, a link to Pancake Swap, ecosystem information, and a full white paper as well. So the first part of the name refers to the US dollar, a symbol of wealth and power and the most dominant fiat currency. As for the second part, it refers to the moon, of course, a symbol of wealth in the crypto world. For these reasons, we've decided that our cryptocurrency would combine the two names and its journey to the moon. We believe in our dream and we are going to make it happen with the help of our unique roadmap. What makes our roadmap very special is that it relies on a completely new system called Value Leading System. And that very specific aspect would make our project the first of its kind in the field of cryptocurrencies. So what is the value leading system? Well, usually most cryptocurrency projects have difficulty committing to achieving what they have promised in their roadmap. We completely understand that it might be difficult to achieve a goal depending on time frames only, without giving any significance to the value and the funding of the project will receive over time. For that, we've decided that in our roadmap, with every increase in the value of our currency and with every zero killed from the current price, we will open a new stage of the roadmap. That's actually pretty smart, actually. When you think about it, that makes more sense. It's like, and if people want to see the next step of the roadmap, then they need more to invest more in the project, because how can the team pay for more things or do more things if there's no value there, right? It makes sense. Following the, I mean, if they actually go through with this, I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. It's cryptocurrency over here. Following this method will give our project a greater success rate and increase in value. So token reflections here. It says the Dollarmoon ecosystem relies on several aspects aimed at protecting token holders from loss and protecting the value of the project's token. Therefore, we have created our project ecosystem in a way that encourages the users to stake their holdings in exchange for an annual percentage of profit, APY, which makes Dollarmoon crypto a great source of passive income. A fee of 15% has been set for each sale that takes place on the Dollarmoon ecosystem, and the revenue of it will be distributed in 4 main sections. So if you are going to buy or sell this token off of PancakeSwap, you may have to set your slippage somewhere around 15%. Now, because of the tax there, I would start low, of course, and then work your way up. Don't start high on your slippage. See what works first, starting low and go up. Distributing, so it's split up like this, the tax. Distributing staking rewards in the form of BNB, coin burning, providing liquidity, treasury, which will be later used in marketing campaigns and funding roadmap projects. So it doesn't actually say the percentages, though. Let me go to the tokenomics here. See if it doesn't even say on the tokenomics either. Weird. So tokenomics, though, it says there's a total supply of 200 million tokens that's split up in the following ways. So 50% of that will be manually burnt. 20% goes to the decentralized exchange public sale. 20% for central exchange listings, and 10% for the team. The team will only sell 2% in the last stage to operate the Dollarmoon platform that will be launched. So there is a treasury. 5% of the value of any transaction will be allocated to the treasury and then will be used in the marketing for the project and funding of roadmaps. So basically 5% of that 15% tax goes to the treasury. So we figured that out. So passive income. So 2% goes to reflections, basically. So that's 7% so far we figured out here. It says in order to support token holders, rewards will be distributed in the form of BNB coins. So you get BNB reflections. Manual burn here. So they're going to do that. And then an automatic burn. 3% of every transaction, it goes to manual burn. And 4%, so that's for purchases, and 4% will be sold. I wish they would have put this all in a concise order. So treasury providing liquidity, coin burning, and distributing staking rewards. So whatever I didn't mention for taxes the rest would be going for liquidity, it looks like. And then the roadmap is on here. And yeah, so they're going to have a KYC eventually. They're going to have their own fashion brand. They're going to have their own Dollarmoon swap, crypto wallet, and their own exchange eventually, and their own media platform. So those are all things within the roadmap. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.